Hello and welcome back to my channel. In the earlier episode, we learned about hierarchical clustering. In this video, we are going to see an example of how hierarchical clustering can be implemented in Python. So without wasting our time, let's get started. First, let's import the necessary libraries. So step 1 equals to importing the libraries. Import numpy is np. So this is for numerical data, and another is import matplotlib.pyplot is plt. This is for visualization, and from scipy dot cluster dot hierarchy import dendrogram linkage. So this is to create the hierarchical tree. Another is from sklearn dot cluster import agglomerative clustering. So this is to form the final clusters. I'm sorry, here it should be small letter. Okay, after this, now let's create a simple data set. Has step 2 is like creating a data set. So x equals to np dot array, and then I will give some data like 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3, and then 3 comma 2 comma, and then let's say another is 8 comma 7, sorry, and then 9 comma 8, and then 8 comma 9. Okay, and let's close this. So here each row is a data point, and the first 3 points 1 2 3 are close to each other, this one, and the last 3 points like 7 8 9 are close together. So we expect that there are 2 clusters. Now let's plot this original data first. That's why step 3 is plotting the original data. I will write plot dot scatter, and then x colon comma 0, and then x colon comma 1, and then s equals to 80. So basically we're trying to show the original data before clustering. And another is plot dot title, and then original data, and next plot dot x label x-axis, and another is plot dot y label equals to y dash axis, and then plot dot show. Okay, so this will help us to understand the grouping of the data visually. Now next step is to create the dendrogram. So step 3 equals to creating the dendrogram. So linked equals to linkage x comma method equals to word. So here word, it minimizes the variance within the clusters, and another is plot dot figure, and then figure size equals to 8,5, and then close this, and then dendrogram linked. So this dendrogram, it will show how clusters are merged, and plot dot title equals to dendrogram, and then we are doing the hierarchical clustering. Okay, and then plot dot x label is data points, and plot dot y label is distance, and then plot dot show. Okay, so this will create the dendrogram, right? Now next step is to apply agglomerative clustering. So step 5 is applying agglomerative clustering. Model equals to agglomerative clustering, and then I will give number of clusters equals to 2, linkage word, and then labels equals to model dot fit underscore predict, and then x. Okay, here we choose n underscore clusters equals to 2, and the model it assigns a cluster label to each data point. Next is to visualize the final cluster, that is step 6, and then visualize the final clusters. Plot dot scatter, and then x colon comma 0 comma x colon comma 1, c equals to labels comma c map equals to rainbow, s equals to 80. Plot dot title, and then final clusters hierarchical clustering, and then okay, plot dot x label, and then x-axis, what is that? Similarly, plot dot y label, and then y axis, and then plot dot so. Okay, I hope I have written all the code. So now let's run this. Oops, there is error here. Plot dot scatter. Where? This one. This one, right? Plot dot scatter x. Oh, I missed this one. This is capital. Okay, now let's save again and run this. Yeah, we get the result. So this is the original data. All the points, these points are near to each other, and these points are near to each other. Second, we had plotted the dendrogram. So this is the dendrogram of hierarchical clustering, and this is the final clusters. So here the points with the same color belongs to the same cluster, and it also confirms the separation is seen in the dendrogram. Therefore, this is the example of agglomerative hierarchical clustering. In the next episode, I will come with a new topic. If you like this video, do not forget to share, and also please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.